बट टिश्यू पेपर लगा के फिर लिपस्टिक लगा के फिर पाउडर लगाना वो मुझे पता नहीं था. सो फॉर दिस हैक देयर इज नो फ्रॉम. सो फॉर दिस हैक देयर इज अ बिग नो. Hey fam, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are watching this face for first time, then hi, I am Shruti and here I make fashion, DIY and beauty related videos. So if this is something you like, then don't forget to click on that red subscribe button so that you will stay connected throughout my journey, and make sure to click on bell icon right next to it so every time I upload a video, you can catch on. So in today's video, we are going to try out some makeup hacks. I know all of us on YouTube here and there came across channel called 5 minutes hacks. So I'm going to try out their beauty hacks and we will test out together, do they actually work or they are just meh. So I have picked some random hacks from their video and we are going to test them out. So if you want to know which hacks are useful and which are not, then watch the full video and let me quickly zoom you in guys so that you will see what I'm actually doing here. Okay, so let's start off with the first hack. I'll share actual video on a screen. So basically she is covering acne marks and pimples with the help of a green eyeshadow and concealer. So I'm just taking a little bit of green eyeshadow. I won't lie to you guys, I'm little skeptical about this. Like, I really don't know how it's gonna work and I'm too scared because I'm breaking out like crazy and I don't want to ruin my base, but still we are going to try. So I have taken some concealer and green eyeshadow on a brush and we are just going to apply. Basically it's working like as a color corrector, but let's see. And now we are blending out. Please pray that I will not break out because of this. Now I'm just applying foundation. I don't remember that color corrector करने के बाद उसके ऊपर कंसीलर लगाना था या नहीं लगाना था. I directly applied foundation. बट अगर मैंने उसके ऊपर कंसीलर लगा फिर फाउंडेशन लगाया होता तो आई थिंक रिजल्ट बहुत अच्छा होता. बट फॉर नाउ रिजल्ट इज ऑल्सो गुड. लाइक दिस हैक रियली ब्लर्ड आउट माई एक्ने मार्क्स एज यू कैन सी ऑन माई फेस. So I will give 8 out of 10 to this hack because instead of using eyeshadow, if I have applied directly concealer, result इससे अच्छा होता. So let's move towards our next hack. And next hack is quite famous. Like using red lipstick, we are going to cover our under eyes. I'm just applying some red lipstick under my eyes and I'm blending out with the help of my finger. I'm really not that into color correction because concealer and foundation does my work. And now on the top of that red lipstick, I'm applying concealer. I have a little bit of concealer because Swiss Beauty concealer का coverage अच्छा है पहले से. Here a hack works, but here is not. I really don't know what's happening. So I'm quite impressed by this hack. I know a lot of you are actually adopting it in your makeup. But I'm trying out this for first time and I really loved it. I will give it 10 out of 10 because first and main thing, my under eyes are not looking grey. Okay, so next hack is a spoon hack. Like by using spoon, she's applying her eyeliner. So we are going to do the same. So I'm using this green eyeliner from NY Bay and I'm just doing the same. Like what she did this. This hack is epic fail for me because as you can see ये कुछ लग ही नहीं रहा है comparing to their visualization. So I'm just spreading this eyeliner on my lid. So for this hack there is big no from me. Let's move towards our next hack. Next hack is quite famous on Instagram too. Like using tissue paper we are supposed to apply eyeshadows. So I'm just taking random colors. I have a lot of expectations from this hack. I want that yellow bright. Okay. Okay, so I have applied some mascara and eyeliner and as you can see how beautiful it looks. And now I'm realizing hype of this hack and from my side I'm giving it a big thumbs up and 10 out of 10. And if you choose colors little wisely, you can wear this look outside also. Now let's move towards our next hack. एंड जनरली व्हेन वी अप्लाई लिपस्टिक दांतों पे थोड़ी सी रह ही जाती है. सो दिस हैक इज ऑल अबाउट दैट. बेसिकली वी हैव टू पुट ईयरबड बिटवीन लिप्स एंड देन वी हैव टू अप्लाई लिपस्टिक. सो लेट्स डू दिस. Okay, so this hack is okish. Like there is no need to always keep earbud with you because if you apply lipstick with little bit of awareness, lipstick दांतों पे नहीं चिपकेगी. But if I have to rate this hack, then I will rate it 5 out of 10. Now let's move towards next hack. So as you can see, this lipstick is little glossy. We are going to make it matte using tissue paper. And I'm just applying lipstick. And on top of that, I am applying powder. Oh my god, दिस हैक एक्चुअली वर्क. लाइक मुझे वो हैक तो पता था कि टिश्यू पेपर लगा के उस पे पाउडर लगाना, बट टिश्यू पेपर लगा के फिर लिपस्टिक लगा के फिर पाउडर लगाना वो मुझे पता नहीं था. सो आई विल गिव इट 9 out of 10. I really don't know why 9. Now last hack is extending your smile line. I'm so sorry about my background, but last hack is extending smile line. Basically, I don't need to extend my smile line because I have big smile line, but it's okay. We are going to try this out because I found it little interesting. She used eyeliner in this hack, but I'm using eyebrow pencil. I'm just smiling and extending the lines. This hack is quite good, but it is looking little funny on me. If you have little smile line or little lips, you must give it a try and tell me in the comments your experience. So yeah guys, I think that's it for today. I hope you had a fun watching this video, and mindfully I have chose these hacks because I want to make this video practical and helpful. I'm thinking of making part 2 of this video because I quite enjoyed this video. Tell me in the comments if there is any hack you want to try me out. Definitely I will consider that. We will meet soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay home. Not stay home because Maharashtra में unlocking चालू हो गया है. But don't step outside without any need. And if you are stepping outside, wear mask.